Hi guys, today's video is a tutorial on how to blend your natural hair into clip-ins. Today's tips work for short natural hair as well. So the first thing I'm going to do is make my parting, whether it's a middle part or a side part, it really doesn't matter. Then I'm going to be using the Bantu Natural clip-ins in the style Kinky 4B 16 inches. Now next to my main parting on one side, I'm going to section off a small piece of hair. It should look something like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing in the front, section off a small piece. The pieces need to be very small. They're only meant to cover the clip-ins once we insert them. Braid away any excess hair. And then take your one-piece clips. Take the first clip and place it as close to the line parting of the sectioned off hair as possible. It's going to make the blending more seamless. And then do the same thing with a second clip, which you place just slightly behind the first one. After that, I take a comb and I comb down my small pieces of sectioned off hair. If the pieces of sectioned off hair are too big, it will be difficult to blend, so make sure it's small pieces. And then I take a brush and brush the hair down, focusing on my tips to make sure they blend into the clip-in hair. And that's what it should look like. I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side. Section off small pieces of hair on the side and in the front. Braid away any excess hair that I don't need. And then I'm inserting my clips as close to the line parting as possible. And then I'm taking my small pieces of sectioned off hair and I'm combing them down. Make sure it's only small pieces that are enough to cover the clips, but not too much that they add too much bulk. And that's what it should look like when it's done on both sides. From here, I'm using the same method that I always use to insert the clip-in. Start with the longer pieces at the back, and then as I move to the front, I insert the shorter clips. Then I fluff the hair out a bit to give it the shape I need. Use a brush if I need a brush. Careful with this step so you don't brush out too much of the curls if you like the curly look. And that's the final look. The hair has been perfectly blended into my short natural hair. It looks so seamless and so natural. Thank you for watching.